two bodies are said to have perfectly inelastic collision if after the collision impact they move together. Let's say this be m1 and this be m2, and this is the time during the collision m1 and m2. And after the collision, if the two bodies m1 and m2 move together, that is the velocity of mass 1 and velocity of mass 2 are equal and they move together, then the collision is said to be perfectly inelastic collision. Striking of two glass balls is not a perfectly inelastic collision. A bullet striking a bag of sand is a perfectly inelastic collision. Electron captured by a proton is a perfectly inelastic collision. A man jumping onto a moving car is a perfectly inelastic collision. As in each of these cases, after the collision, the two bodies move together, whereas in the first case, if this be glass ball 1, this be glass ball 2, after the collision, they move with different velocities and also they don't stick together. So, this is not a perfectly inelastic collision.